Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So this is a picture of a boat that I painted with the help of Paul Clark. He has a tutorial on his YouTube channel. I will put a link below. So I did this twice and I recorded the whole thing. Unfortunately, it's gone. I don't know where it is. I recorded this video already, and when I went to go upload it to YouTube, I lost power to my computer because I don't know why we lost power, and it's just gone. So it's not on my computer, and it's not on YouTube. It's just disappeared. I don't know what happened. I can't find it anywhere. So yeah. But anyway, here is the first draft that I did, and you can see it was way back in May. So I don't know what happened. I didn't notice that the video was gone. And here's the second one. I did this for a calendar that I bought for my parents for Christmas. So every month they get a new painting. And my mom had requested a painting of a boat for May because May is the start of fishing season here. So I like it. It looks good. The second time on the Lightwish paper. Here they both are side by side. And I did find one clip from the first videos that I was making where I'm comparing them, so I will add that in, but first I just want to show you what it looks like in the living room. So that's what it looks like in the living room, and yeah. So anyway, we're gonna jump into what little bit of the clip I have left, so I hope you like it. All right, we're gonna head there now, okay?
Okay, guys, so that was the first one that I did together with you guys, and this is the second one that I did for the calendar. Let's just take a look at it. I don't know if I like this one. This is not my favorite one that I've done. I think the first one was better. I think I'm better at this paper than this paper. Which one do you guys like better? This one or this one? Anyway, it was a really great tutorial. The fault is all mine. I think I like my water reflections better here than here. I'm not sure. But I did add the green, like the yellowy green that I was supposed to add here that I could barely see here. So they're both using my Paul Rubens paints, my favorite ones. Yeah. All right, so that is it for this one. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting. Bye.